Join me as I make an unbelievably tasty and simple one-pan meal that combines chicken, fresh tomatoes, feta, and spinach, then smothered in an Italian-inspired light butter sauce. Summer Tuscan chicken. You want to start off by using a large baking dish. Mine is 11 by 15. Next, you're going to need some small tomatoes. I'm using a bunch from my wife's garden. You can buy them from the store if you prefer. This is equal to 2 packages you would get from the grocery store. Next, I have a package of peeled garlic cloves. I'm going to add half of it, which is 3 ounces. Over the top of the tomatoes and garlic, I'm going to pour 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you want to add 2 pounds of chicken tenderloins. To season my dish, I've made my own little mixture here. I have 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of basil, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to sprinkle half of this mixture on top of my chicken, flip it over, and then sprinkle the other side. You want to place your chicken and tomatoes in a 450-degree oven for 20 minutes uncovered. The chicken and tomatoes are out of the oven. They've been cooking for the 20 minutes. Now we're ready to add the remainder of the ingredients. 8 ounces of feta that I'm going to crumble. This is tomato basil flavored. You can use plain if you prefer. Next, you want to add a half a bag of fresh spinach that you've washed. And then you want to add 1 stick of butter that I've cubed. You can also use olive oil in its place, but you need one or the other to make a sauce at the bottom of your pan. At this point, you want to carefully mix all of your ingredients together. I'm going to place my dish back in a 450-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. You want your spinach to be wilted and the tomatoes to be nice and tender. While our dish is cooking in the oven, you want to prepare 1 pound of angel hair pasta following the directions on the back of the box.